Hi everyone. Today I'm making a video on ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? So it's artificial intelligence. For this, you have to open in browser chat.openai.com, and then this screen will pop up on your screen. So after that, for using this it has some limitation. It's few are mentioned here. So it says may occasionally generate incorrect information, may occasionally produce harmful instruction or biased content, limited knowledge of world events after 2021. So the the events that are held before 2021 is not included here. So it takes the content after 2021. So how it works. For example, if you're a student, if you're an engineer, if you're a medical doctor, content writer, whatever you are, you are a blogger, whatever you are, it's help you a lot, believe me. For example, let's say I'm a student and I just wanna write in a motivational letter for a master admission. Let's just write here write motivational letter on letter for admission in MBBS. So like look at that, just I guess I misspelling here. So okay, now it's fine. Write motivation letter for admission in MBBS. So you just hit the enter and it will write its by on, and here you can see it. It's referred to the admission committee and it's right on. Yeah, look at this. It's believe me, it's help you a lot in your career, and this is the best website ever in the 2023. So it's helpful for the content writer, for engineers, for medicals, for doctors, for the college students, for graduate students, all the type of faculties you are. It helps you a lot. And it's as I mentioned already, there is some limitations, but beyond the limitation you can just read this article, and if you find there is something grammatically mistake, because it's AI, there won't be any grammatically mistakes. So if there is like any harmful content or whatever, you can just thoroughly read all the article, and you can edit, modify as you want to. And it's a really helpful website, and I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Thank you.